Welcome back to Coco's Vegan Journey. Woo woo! Why do I keep making that choo-choo train sound? Okay, babe, start again. Sorry. So today in my kitchen, I am going to show you guys how to make a real quick, simple, easy, healthy snack. Let me just give you a little bit of background information about myself. I used to be a heavy snacker. When I say heavy, I used to go hard. I would have Doritos, hot fries, I mean, you name it. Anything that was inside a package, I would have my hands inside and gobbling it all up. But of course, since I decided to go plant-based and be more healthy, and just make better choices about what I put into my mouth, into my body, I decided that I wasn't going to have any more processed foods as much as I could not have any more processed foods. I mean, definitely I may have some chips here or there, not the one that has like milk and stuff in it, but for the most part, I really just wanted to stay out of having packaged goods, and I wanted to have more fresh, live ingredients inside of my body. So a great healthy snack that I want to show you guys how to make. It's really quick, it's easy for on the go, and I definitely recommend it for people that just need to have a little bit of crunch. My mom says all the time, don't you miss the crunch? Don't you miss the crunch? Well, this snack right here is going to give you all the crunch you need, I promise. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna put into our trail mix is pumpkin seeds. Now, I discovered pumpkin seeds last year. I was just randomly at Whole Foods one day, and I was like, I'm gonna make my own trail mix. Why does all the trail mix have soy in it? Why do they have so much sugar? Why is there milk in it and all eggs and stuff that I'm actually honestly allergic to and I can't have? And so I started looking at all the nuts and the seeds and things like that, and I wanted to play around, and I wanted to have my mix look a little bit colorful, so I decided to go for pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are really good for you. They're an antioxidant. They also help with parasites, and they're good for prevention of cancer, inflammation as well, and they actually taste really good. So for pumpkin seeds, you can find them at your grocery store. So I get the pumpkin seeds that are raw, that don't have any sugar, no oil, nothing in them. And you're probably gonna, I like to use double the amount of the pumpkin seeds. So for like the nuts, I just use like a handful, which is about a quarter of a cup. A quarter of a cup. I need to show you on the measuring cup what that looks like. But I know that it's about a handful for each thing, but for the pumpkin seeds, I use 2 handfuls because I want those parasites out of my body. Next up, we have some walnuts. I am not a huge fan of walnuts, but they are good for inflammation, and also they help to promote a healthy gut. So I decided I would give it a try and see what it tastes like, and maybe once it's mixed in with everything, it won't have such a strong taste. So I'm gonna put some walnuts in our mixing bowl. Next we have sunflower seeds. Again, everything that I've bought does not have any oil in it. It also doesn't have any sugar. So these sunflower seeds also do not have any salt. So sunflower seeds are really good for you. Ladies, you need to be munching on some sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds have vitamin E in it, which is really good for your skin. So we're having some gut busters, parasite killers. We have something that's great for our skin. We have another powerful antioxidant, which are almonds. I love almonds. So these almonds are dry roasted almonds. Also another good source of vitamin E. No salt on them, no oil, no soy, no sugar. It's all natural. Pop that on in there. Next up, we got some cashews. Now cashews, yes. Nuts generally are fatty. They're high in fat, but they're good fats. So these cashews are also good because it helps with your blood pressure. It has antioxidants in it as well. And you know what? They taste really, really, really good. I love cashew nuts, but this is for the trail mix, so we're gonna put those in there as well. This is a really good one. So these are peanuts. Okay, so in Nigeria, for those of you that are in Nigeria, because a lot of people have been saying to me, but I'm in Nigeria, what if I can't find these ingredients in XYZ? So I wanted to make you a quick snack, and you can find everything in Lagos. Dry roasted peanuts. Great for depression. Did you guys know that? I didn't know that. So I'm gonna be eating these a lot more. Also a good source of vitamin E. Again, these are dry roasted. They don't have any oil, no salt, no sugar on it, all natural. I'm gonna put some of that in there. Ooh, now, this is gonna be like my son's favorite. He won't be able to have the trail mix because he's allergic to nuts, but he'll love the fact that I put his favorite snack inside the trail mix, which are plantain chips. Now, let me tell you something about plantain chips. Really and truly, if you want to make it super duper healthy, you should use the unripened plantain chips that are baked, not fried. So, but a little bit of this and a little bit of that in moderation, not gonna hurt anybody. So I'm gonna put some plantain chips in here. I am also gonna put some granola. So this granola, I found it at a store here in Atlanta called Seven Anda, but you can get granola wherever you are. You can get it at Whole Foods, you can get it at your grocery store. Make sure you get the granola that is not packaged in a box. You want the natural good stuff, okay? Granola reduces inflammation and it's really good for your blood pressure and it tastes really, really, really yummy. So I'm gonna throw some of that in there. One of my personal favorites is raisins. I love raisins. Raisins are good for iron, and these as well. Most of the raisins that you find inside the store have a lot of sugar in it. You know, they've got, what is that? Well, I guess just a bunch of sugar and oil too, which isn't good, and a lot of preservatives to keep it fresh. And this is just fresh, straight, roasted, dried out raisins that I got from the farmer's market. Another one of my favorites, actually I got two different types and I'm gonna show you guys these. I decided to put a little bit of chocolate. What's life without a little bit of sweetness, right? So I found these. Let me tell you guys something, especially people that are trying to go plant-based and they're like, oh, I can never have chocolate. That's not true. You can have dark chocolate, but you should be careful about making sure you read the labels. A lot of the dark chocolates that are available do have milk in it and do have eggs, and they are not vegan friendly. So these are vegan friendly because they are gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, egg-free, fish-free, shellfish-free. Yes, these are all ingredients that normally they would put in a different sort of chocolate. So I found the ones that don't have it. So this is from Enjoy Life. It's the dark morsels, and then I also got the mini semi-sweet chips as well. So we're gonna throw these in here. Now, did you guys know that chocolate is an aphrodisiac? I'm just saying, hey, eat your chocolate. And also they help to fight brain disease, so they give you good brain functioning. So I'm gonna throw these on there as well. So now that I've put in all of my good yummy stuff, make sure you have a spoon handy. And it's so simple, guys. You're just gonna stir it in, okay? Give it a good mix. Making sure that, you know, everything is mixed in really good. You know, you wanna make sure that, like, especially your nuts and stuff, your seeds just don't get stuck at the bottom. So sometimes the granola and the heavier nuts help to kind of bring them up. So that way, when you put your hand in to get a big handful, you're making sure that you get like an even amount of all the yummy, yummy, yummy stuff inside of here. All right, so once you mix it all in, you guys know that I am so obsessed with my mason jars. These, again, you can find them on Amazon. For those of you in Lagos, you can go to bulkshop.com. They sell them on their website. They're also on Instagram as well, and you can find them to store your things inside. So I am going to go ahead and store my freshly made granola. You know what I love about this granola is that I know exactly what's inside of it. I don't have to worry about whether or not, does it have too much sugar? They put a lot of salt in it, the preservatives, the milk, shellfish. I can't believe that they actually put shellfish. Like, why do you need to put shellfish inside of a pack of chocolate? It's so ridiculous. Anyways, so there you go. Have enough to fill this jar, which is really cool. Keeps it nice and airtight. And then also too, I know for some people that are on the go, I made some earlier. You can also use your Ziploc bags, just put it in there. You have it with you right by your car, while you're in the car rather, and you just put your hand in, grab some. Let me taste it. It tastes so good. Wow. I promised someone that I was gonna bring them some, but you guys, I don't think they're gonna get it. This is really, really, really yummy. I really love it. The plantain chips give it a good pow. All right, guys, so there you have it. I told you that I was gonna make you a simple, quick snack. Here it goes. This is Coco's homemade granola. Let me know if you try it. If you do, let me know how it tastes. Leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Give me a thumbs down. And of course, I always ask, please press that button right there and subscribe to my channel and follow me and get more of the Coco sauce. Thank you for tuning in. Let's get healthy, let's get moving, and let's live life. Thank you for watching. Peace and love.